Yo, what's up everybody? MouseClicker5000 here. Welcome back to another video. Last video I showed you how to normal click 5000 CPS, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to drag click 8 million CPS. Let's get into it. So first of all, the common stigma behind drag clicking is that it's very hard to do. This is wrong. All you really need is 2 fingers and an RGB mouse and you're set to go. Okay, so first thing which you need to do, you want to basically get both your fingers on the end of the mouse. So what you want to do is you want to get your fingers like this, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to drag the fingers like this down here. So you want to keep repeating this whilst a delicate pressure to the mouse. And you should be able to feel the mouse at least click 5 million times underneath your finger. In fact, it's probably clicking so fast that you don't even feel it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna click a few times and then I'm gonna show you the results of the CPS test. And look at that! As you can see,
45777 no 8666767
CPS. Yes, so you can get a lot of CPS drag clicking. It is very difficult though, so don't try it, but you can try it. It's actually very easy. Hopefully this tutorial was informative and really helped you click your mouse. Goodbye, and